Did you know that over 90.5 million homes in the US have pets? And in 2022, Americans spent more than $58 billion on pet food and treats? With the demand for healthy organic options on the rise, now is the perfect time to start a dog treat business. But where should you begin?
Exactly. Starting a dog treat business can be both fun and profitable. But there are key steps you need to follow to ensure success. Let's break it down into 10 easy steps to help you get started with confidence.
How important is market research before diving into this business?
It's essential. Knowing what pet owners want will help you find your niche. Trends show that many are seeking healthy, organic, and even allergen-free treats. Research competitors, both big brands and small businesses, so you can identify gaps in the market. You could focus on a unique angle like grain-free or gourmet treats.
Do I really need a business plan to start?
Absolutely, but it doesn't have to be complicated. A lean business plan is perfect for small startups because it focuses on just the essentials, helping you stay flexible. Here's what to include. First, your business identity. What's your unique selling proposition? Maybe organic or allergen-free treats. Next, customer focus. Define your target audience. For example, health-conscious pet owners. Then, sales and marketing. Plan how you'll reach customers, like selling on Etsy, Amazon, or social media. Operations. Outline how you'll make the treats. Will you bake them yourself or use a commercial kitchen? Finally, revenue streams. Identify your income sources, from online sales to wholesale.
What licenses do I need to legally sell dog treats?
Pet treats are regulated by the FDA's Center for Veterinary Medicine. Most states require a food license, and regulations can vary. You'll also need to follow labeling guidelines and possibly register your product with the state. Be sure to check with your State Department of Agriculture or Health to meet all requirements.
Step 4. Decide where to operate your business.
Can I bake the treats in my kitchen at home?
In most cases, no. Most states require you to use a licensed commercial kitchen to meet safety standards. Check with your state's laws to see if there are exceptions. A good alternative is renting a commercial kitchen, which allows you to meet the regulations without high startup costs.
Step 5. Source quality ingredients.
What should I consider when sourcing ingredients?
Consumers are looking for natural, healthy ingredients, like single-ingredient or limited-ingredient treats. Human-grade ingredients can give you an edge. Avoid artificial preservatives, fillers, and other additives. And be transparent with your customers about what's in the treats.
Step 6. Develop and test recipes.
How do I create and test my dog treat recipes?
You can create your own recipes by experimenting with different flavors and textures that dogs love while keeping health in mind. Make sure to account for any special dietary needs, like grain-free options. It's also important to test your treats for shelf life, especially if you plan to sell online. Or you can look at the resources in the description to purchase dozens of proven recipes.
Step 7. Branding and packaging.
How important is branding and packaging?
It's crucial. Your branding is the first thing potential customers see, so make it reflect the quality of your treats. Yeah, and eco-friendly packaging can be a big selling point for environmentally conscious pet owners. Oh, and don't forget to include proper labeling that meets FDA guidelines, such as ingredients, weight, and manufacturer details.
Step 8. Marketing your dog treats.
What's the best way to market my dog treats?
Marketing is key. Locally, partner with veterinary clinics, pet stores, or even dog parks. Online, you can sell on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Chewy.com. Social media is another powerful tool. Showcase your treats in videos with happy dogs on Instagram and TikTok.
Step 9. Managing growth.
How do I handle growth as the business expands?
As your business grows, managing inventory and production will be crucial. Software can help track ingredients and orders. You might also consider outsourcing production to a commercial kitchen or manufacturer when demand increases.
Step 10. Keeping track of finances.
How do I manage the financial side of the business?
Keep a close eye on your expenses and profitability. A lean business plan helps here by focusing on key financials like revenue streams and operating costs. As your business grows, you'll want to revisit your plan and scale it to include more detailed projections.
Let's wrap this up.
What's the key takeaway for someone ready to start a dog treat business?
Focus on creating quality treats, stay compliant with regulations, and use effective marketing to reach your target audience. With a lean business plan and the right strategy, starting a dog treat business can be both profitable and fulfilling.
Ready to get started? Download our lean business plan template from the link in the description and start building your dog treat empire today.